Welcome to History at Home, bringing the museum to you. I'm Sarah Byers. There is a common misconception that artifacts in museums have to be old. That's just not the case, as we can see with these artifacts. Any objects in the Niagara Falls History Museum just have to somehow share the story of the city of Niagara Falls. These objects date to the summer of 2012, when Nik Wallenda became the first person to tightrope walk over the brink of the Horseshoe Falls on June 15th. Here at the museum, we have a concrete block with his footprints and signature, a signed poster for the event, and a pair of his practice shoes. This was the first stunt in which Wallenda was forced to wear a safety harness and a tether, which you can see in the photographs. This was a requirement due to the live televised nature of the event, and against the wishes of Wallenda, who believes that safety harnesses offer a false sense of security and can lead to more mistakes. His family, dubbed the Flying Wallendas, has been performing their feats for many years, even as early as 1780 according to their website. They are renowned for not using harnesses or any safety equipment. Nik is part of a long history of high wire walkers at Niagara Falls, following in the skilled footsteps of other artists such as the Great Blondin and Maria Spelterini. The difference being that in the initial years of these large-scale events, technology did not allow for cables to span so far and so close to the brink. Wallenda's feat is truly unique, and his actual feet you can stand on at your next visit to the museum, where an inspirational message from Nik reads, "Never give up." Thank you for joining this History at Home.